thank you for investing in this program. It is my hope, desire, and prayer that you will follow through, watch the videos, take notes, and most importantly, apply the information that I'm going to give you. So that's the most important thing, is application. You know, it's been said that knowledge without application, it's nothing. As the Bible says, faith without action is dead. And that is true with weight loss. You can have all the faith in the world that you're going to lose weight, but I have never seen anybody lose weight, get healthy and fit without work, and many times more work than they realize. And that's where the Bible comes in, and that's where Jesus comes in terms of helping you on this journey. So won't you just sit back for now and go through the videos and really pray on them and really give yourself an opportunity to be as healthy and as fit as you want to be. And I'm not going to be making anything up. I'm not going to give theories. I'm going to give you facts about what the Bible says. And I'm going to give you facts about what has helped my clients and what I believe to be science in terms of weight loss. I think many times that's the issue, is that we combine faith and science, and we don't do it in a way that's correct. Maybe the theology is off a little bit. Maybe the weight loss ideas are off a bit. So these are ideas that I believe will work with application. And let's just talk about the truth here. You can absolutely lose weight with faith in nothing, except for maybe faith in yourself that you can lose weight. And that's fine as well, if that's your goal, if that's all you wanted to do. For me, though, and for what I want to teach you, is I want to teach you how you can apply the Bible, the principles, and really the theological truths to be able to use those to your advantage on this journey. And who knows, maybe it will be exactly what you need to lose weight, to be as healthy as fit as you can be for the rest of your lives. So that's my hope, that's my prayer. So without further ado, let's go into the next video.